Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here. Welcome to my channel, Realtors from Dubai. In just 2 decades, Dubai has gone from city of deserts to city of dreams. And that has happened only because of one man, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai. Opening its doors to all the nationalities throughout the world to come, invest and buy properties in Dubai, creating world-class infrastructure and creating buildings such as Burj Khalifa, Burj Arab, Dubai Mall. Everything has happened under his leadership. And today, I am at one of his dream projects to which he has given his name, Mohammed bin Rashid City, District 1. Now, Mohammed bin Rashid City, of which District 1 is a part, is a city within city. It has got a race course, it has got a golf course, hotels, affordable housing, retail destination, premium housing, and ultra-luxurious mansions also. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you why it is a good investment, or as an end use, it will be a best option for you to choose District 1. I'm going to show you the master plan of District 1 as well. I'll take you to the show apartment of District 1 so that you will get an idea what kind of quality and finishing is being provided. And at the end, I'm going to give you my recommendations of District 1 where you should invest. So let's begin. Let's start with LVBT analysis. Now don't ask me what is LVBT. We have done this before. Location, views, brand and pricing. Located just 8 minutes from downtown, District 1 is the only and closest villa community to downtown Dubai. 15 minutes to Dubai International Airport, 20 minutes to Dubai Marina and Palm Jumeirah makes this location an easily accessible one. What can I say more about a view? Take a look yourself. District 1 has a soothing crystal lagoon view, a vibrant Burj Khalifa downtown skyline view, and a lush green view which is spread over 26 million square feet throughout the community. District 1 is being developed by Nakheel, who has also done Palm Jumeirah. And as I said, this is a dream project of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. So be 100% assured that everything that you get in this community will be top of its line. Now, District 1 has mix of products to offer, starting from 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments, penthouses, independent villas and mansions. A 1 bedroom apartment starting from 1.3 million dirhams, whereas you will spend 100 million dirhams for a 7 bedroom independent ultra luxurious mansion. So as we have seen, in terms of location, views, brand and pricing, District 1 gets thumbs up. And that is the reason why in recent years District 1 has become an address itself. And hence you will see who's who of Dubai staying in District 1. Why you are waiting for them? Now, since I have shown you why you should invest in District 1, let me take you and show you the master plan of District 1. Let's go. So this is the master plan of District 1. Spread over 43 million square feet, District 1 has got all what you need. It has got residential living, it has got a retail destination, it has got a cycling track and a crystal lagoon. Let me now explain the master plan of District 1. This is the master plan of District 1, which has got apartments as well as independent villas. The phase 1 of District 1 is already delivered and people are already staying in the community. District 1 will also have Maidan 1 Mall, which is going to be the region's largest retail experience. District 1 will also have 8-kilometer long cycling track throughout the community. The apartments in District 1 are on the Crystal Lagoon with the views of downtown skyline, Crystal Lagoon and of the community. This is Maidan 1 Mall, which will have the region's largest ski as well as region's largest residential tower. I'm sure you have liked the master plan of District 1. You're going to love the show apartment. Let's go and take a look. This is a typical 2-bedroom layout which has an open kitchen setup with a marble countertop, plenty of storage area, white goods which are inbuilt in the kitchen as well. Then after the kitchen you have a living and dining area which has a 3-side open, we can say. You can see there are full floor to ceiling windows. That gives you a more light in the apartment. After this, we will move to the first bedroom of the apartment. Now all the bedrooms of District 1 apartments are en suite. So this is your first bedroom, which again has floor to ceiling windows, good wardrobes and an attached bathroom. So this is your bathroom. Let's go and check out the bedroom number 2. You have got some storage area, laundry area here. Now master bedroom of this apartment is pretty huge. It again has got the access to the balcony. There are plenty of wardrobes in the master bedroom, so the women in the house will be very happy. This is your bathroom, which is pretty huge. Well, by now you must be eager to know what is there available to purchase in District 1. So here are my recommendations. My number 1 recommendation would be an apartment in the residences on Crystal Lagoon. Though the inventory of District 1 gets sold out very fast for obvious reasons, but you still can get hold on apartments starting from 1.3 million dirhams for a 1-bedroom and 2.5 million dirhams for a 2-bedroom apartment. My number 2 recommendation would be an independent villa in District 1. Now District 1 launched a 4-bedroom luxury villa collection last month, which had starting prices 7.6 million dirham onwards, going up to 10.2 million dirhams. That got sold out in just one day. So, to sum up today's discussion, we can say that District 1 has got the best location, it has got some of the amazing views, and it is a prime community with an high potential of return on investment. So, if you want to make District 1 as a new address, you better pick up your phone and call me on my number 971-54-771-7848. You can also message me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Realtor from Dubai. If you think this video was helpful and informative, then like the video, comment your suggestions below the video, and don't forget to share with your friends and colleagues. Hit the subscribe button if you want me to make more such videos helping you to make an informed real estate decision. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next Thursday with yet another project where you can invest in Dubai. Take care, stay safe, bye-bye.